What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace your filter for your LG PuriCare AeroTower purifying fan. Now, before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. The first step is make sure that the fan is completely disconnected from the wall outlet. Once disconnected, you're going to pull the plastic cover at the bottom, and this is going to be the one that is underneath the LG screen. So once you pull that out, you're greeted with the filter. Now you're gonna take the old filter and pull it out using the flap right here. And once it's out, you're gonna put it aside and then take your other filter and put it in. But when you put it in, make sure that the flap that you see here is facing out so you're able to pull it back out again. And then you just simply push it in and there you go. And then you take the plastic cover and it magnetically closes and it goes back in, and you're all set. Now that you installed the new filter, power up your fan, and once it's powered up, you need to reset your filter life. Now there's two ways you can do this. You can do this by either pressing the auto button and the oscillation button for 3 seconds on top of the control panel of the fan. So let's do that now. And as you heard, there's a beep, which means that the reset of the filter life has been complete. Now the other way to do it is through the app, so let me show you that now. Once you're in the LG ThinQ app, you can then select your fan, and then once you're in the main menu for your fan, you're gonna head to the top right where you see those 3 dots. Now we're gonna press on that, and then as you can see right here, there's filter management. We're gonna press on filter management, and then you're gonna have the option to filter reset. So we're gonna press on that. Now it says after replacing the filter, press reset. So that's what we just did. We're gonna press reset. So this was my video on how to replace your filter for your LG PuriCare AeroTower purifying fan. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.